Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Jordan, and in this very short video I would like to go over the setups we covered during this week, the ideas, and see which one worked and which one didn't. So basically out of 4 setups we have 3 winners, which is a pretty good hit rate. Starting now with the EURAUD XLM, we're basically looking at this triangle. We said that the break below here would mean for us a possible continuation to the downside. We got the momentum, we got basically everything that we needed, and as you can see, this first target was already reached. This is a risk-free trade, so no complaints about it when it comes to that. Then we have pound cut, which was the loser, and unfortunately we got the spike, and now it looks like it might be continuing lower, might not, I have no clue, but basically this is where we got the breakout. We also got lower lows here, so either the pullbacks or here, and we had a beautiful trade. This entire thing was based on the daily range, and this is basically the idea we were looking to trade. Unfortunately, the spike yesterday, the fundamental spike that we got here, made this trade a losing one. Next one, where is that? Let's open it here. EURAUD is something that we were looking to buy, and we basically said this is the 1-hour chart cycle that we are expecting to provide us with the pullbacks. We got the pullback exactly from the zone that we wanted to get it, and we got the initial push up. So this one, if you're not in, is perfectly fine. If you're in, first target should be already closed. One thing I do suspect we're going to see in the upcoming week is some sort of a flag or triangle forming here, or flat range, but basically flat consolidation. And the reason is that the price is simply not gaining momentum. So we're either going to see that or possibly deeper pullback, I don't know. But the question is, we got here with this idea the buys exactly and specifically from the level that paid already more than 1-to-1. So this is a risk-free trade, and next week as it starts developing, we'll have a better idea what to do and how to do it. Then we have QEN, which was another intraday sell opportunity based on this one here. So the idea is very simple. We're looking for pullbacks and then possible continuation. Here we got the pullback, okay, in double waves. This is what we wanted to trade, so perfect. Then it came to the bottom, and this is where it bounced. And now, to be honest, I didn't trade this bounce up, okay, for the only reason here that the divergences were not in place. Okay, we had the level, we had the double wave, everything basically was in place, but missing that divergence here is basically not according to my rules. And even though that was a beautiful move up, if you enjoyed it, well done, but I personally skipped it on purpose. Let me see what else. Kiwi, Euro, yeah, that would be all. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting these videos, guys. I love your comments now. See you next week with new opportunities. Have a wonderful one.